Alright, so we're back here at my favourite property just a few months later, and I've been hitting this property hard even though it's so far from home, but I'm on my way back from Brisbane. I decided to stop in for a night, and as you can see, we're not at the property yet, but there are goats everywhere.
Yeah, there's goats everywhere.
Serious? I've got everyone with me over here, and there's another car coming behind. And
there is so much chaos.
This one, I've got Saifuddin, and I've got this one that's hiding her face there, Jemima. Oh,
yeah.
Alright, there's even more goats down here. Goats galore. There's absolutely no shortage of goats around. That fella, he's up. Oh wait, someone pulled down there. These are a couple of big guys up here. Look at them, arrogant, and there's more. Oh, they're everywhere. The goats. Look, there's more up there on the hill. Where? Oh yeah. Wow, there's a lot of goats all around. There's a lot of goats. Look at that. There's more goats.
The knife?
Alright, so after all of that mayhem, we managed these two lovely goats. One's a, that's a male, isn't it? One's a filly, one's a small nanny. So that was within our first half hour? First half hour of hunting. Probably always never disappoints. Okay, we throw them on the top and then take them down. Yep. Alright, so we've got some goats over here. We've got Salim. This time it's Salim and Saifuddin. Okay, Salim. You, Saifuddin. Wait for Salim's countdown to talk with each other. Alright, so we've got some goats over there. And you do the countdown. Go again. Alright, so that's our third goat for the trip, and this time he's a good fella. He's a good billy, isn't he? Yeah. And he's heavy, and we have to go up there somewhere. Okay, so we have our work cut out for us, or... We don't have a knife. Yeah, we do. You do? I brought mine. Okay. I think about these things though. We can lob off his legs, will be much easier.
Yeah, and the back strap.
We can even do his back strap.
It's nice.
We're three of us.
I need a nice photo with him.
Yep.
Where did I get him?
Yeah, you can see the blood there on the top of his maybe neck.
No, not there. No, nothing there.
All right, so this is goats number 4 and 5 of the trip. Did you get any footage?
I got his footage.
Oh, you did? Oh, awesome. Okay, beautiful.